In our earlier chapters, we have studied that the East India Company had established its control over almost all parts of India by the middle of the 19th century. The Indians were discontented with the British and they slowly began to rebel against them. This led the people to ask a crucial question. What is this country of India and for whom is it meant? The answer that gradually emerged was India was the people of India. All the people, irrespective of class, color, caste, creed, language or gender. And the country, its resources and systems were meant for all of them. With this answer, the awareness of nationalism spread in the country and the people began to realize that British were exercising control over the resources of India and the life of its people. And until this control was ended, India could not be for Indians. When did this consciousness spread among the people? This consciousness began to be clearly stated by the political associations formed after 1850, especially those that came into being in the 1870s and 1880s. Most of these associations were led by English-educated professionals such as lawyers. The more important ones were the Purna Sarvajanik Sabha, the Indian Association, the Madras Mahajan Sabha, the Bombay Presidency Association, and the Indian National Congress. What were the goals of these associations? These associations were formed with a modern consciousness and a key feature of nationalism. Though these associations functioned in specific parts of the country, their goals were stated as the goals of all the people of India. They worked with the idea that the people should be sovereign. In other words, they believed that the Indian people should be empowered to take decisions regarding their affairs. The dissatisfaction with British rule led to a revolt of 1857, which was one such revolt that was an unsuccessful but heroic effort to eliminate foreign rule. Later, the revolt intensified in the 1870s and 1880s. What were the steps taken by the British government to end these revolts? In order to stop the revolts, the British government passed the Arms Act in 1878, disallowing Indians from possessing arms. In the same year, the Vernacular Press Act was also enacted in an effort to silence those who were critical of the government. The act allowed the